Dancers use their bodies to take internal ideas, emotions, and intention and express them in an outward manner, sharing them with others. Dance can communicate this internal world, or it can be abstract, focusing on shapes and patterns.
Holiday dance competition.
Holiday dance competition.
Kadum. Holiday dance competition.
Powered by
African Light Plus TV.
African Light Plus TV.
Be our guest.
You want win?
You can be the winner.
Then register.
African Light Plus TV and you will see the event competition.
Konkondunto Bamukeniyo. Do you have what it takes? Do you want to be the winner of the first edition of the Holiday Dance Competition?
Holidays dance competition.
To take home
So event
as first prize 100,000 francs
first prize achieve 100,000 francs.
CFA.
Second prize achieve 50,000 francs.
Second prize 50,000 francs CFA.
Third prize achieve 30,000 francs.
Third prize 30,000 francs CFA.
Everyone my rule.
And that's not all.
My
After the competition, you will be enrolled at SID Academy
SID class award for SID Dance Academy.
for a free 1-month dance master class,
Other going to a cattle event to dance.
2 professional videos,
What about videos, 2 professional videos?
and a future dance film.
What about your future films?
Holiday dance competition.
Holiday dance competition.
Kadum. Holiday dance competition.
Powered by
African Light Plus TV.
African Light Plus TV.
Be our guest.
You want win?
You can be the winner.
Then register.
Remember, no age limit.
There is no age limit.
Registration fee
2,500 francs.
2,500 francs. For more information, contact the following numbers you find on your screens, or you follow us on our social media handles that you can find on your screens. Moto Aijake Mongo Brian.
Holiday dance competition.
Holiday dance competition.
Kadum. Holiday dance competition.
Powered by
African Light Plus TV.
African Light Plus TV.
Be our guest.
You want win?
You can be the winner.
Then register.
Oh yo yo mama eh eh. Oh yo yo. Oh yo yo mama eh eh.